Welcome back to The Verdict, where journeys meet justice. Today's guest is a brilliant mind, someone who cracked one of India's toughest law entrance exams in his very first attempt. Joining us is a top elite ranker, the incoming batch of NLU Delhi, and the brain behind some seriously innovative projects. And trust me, there's more to him. He's not spending the summer chilling, he's co building an initiative that's already gained traction. It's called Club for Law Students, or CLS. Yog, a very warm welcome to The Verdict. Congratulations on a stellar A-Lit performance and your journey to NLU Delhi. We are thrilled to have you here.
Thank you so much, Priya. I am honored to be here.
Before we get into strategy and prep, tell us a bit more about behind the scenes. What are your hobbies and interests?
I have always chased novelty. I have always chased thrill. I have always chased adventure. Whether it was building stuff, whether it was learning odd things or trying wild experiments. For example, I have made an ECG machine, electrocardiogram machine. I have made stress detector. I have made some websites. I have also made some potato cannons and even rocket fuel. Achievement was always an addiction for me. My guilty pleasure.
Well, that sounds amazing. So, you were heavily inclined towards science, right? So, why law?
Well, initially I was all set to become a scientist, but somewhere along the way, there was a chapter called Nationalism in Europe. In I think it was chapter one in class 9th history. That single chapter sparked an interest in me towards history. After that, in my whole summer of class 10th, I read a lot of history, a lot. I deep dive in it. I also read a lot of books uh, where the main genre was power and societal structures. धीरे धीरे something changed inside me. I realized that I loved decoding power structures, ideology, and influence. So naturally, critical reasoning became a stronghold for me, and law began to feel like home.
Right. So, is age mein, where most of us are still figuring things out, you chose a high stakes path. What made law the choice?
Well, law the choice, okay. The analytical depth that law provides, the structural problem solving in law, it just it wasn't just about learning laws. It felt like I was entering a chess game where my mind was my greatest asset. And that was irresistible for me.
Well, right. So every aspirant has weaknesses and strengths. So how did you identify your weak area?
Well, for me, critical reasoning was my fortress. But for weaker areas, I followed a lab style approach. I break it down, I diagnosed the issue, I designed a fix, I tested and adapted. द मेन थिंग आई डिड वाज़ कि मैं इकोसिस्टम में आगे बढ़ना नहीं चाहता था। मैं एग्ज़ामिनर उस सेक्शन से क्या माँगता है मुझसे, एग्ज़ामिनर क्या टेस्ट करना चाहता है, उस चीज़ को मैंने डिकोड किया, देन आई डिज़ाइन्ड द फिक्स, आई टेस्टेड, अडैप्टेड एंड आई एक्सेल्ड।
That's a very great advice to all the future aspirants. So one more thing is mocks can be overwhelming. So how did you utilize them to your advantage?
I did 2 things actually. So first that I treated mocks like X-rays. Each mistake was a data point. Was it a knowledge gap? Was it a time break? Was it a misinterpretation? This clarity helped me to refine both my preparation and exam day strategy. The second thing I did for my mocks is that after a while, after I advanced a bit in my preparation, I started giving mocks daily. Uh, not for continuously 2 hours, but sometimes I treated them as sections. So that's how I treated my mocks.
Right. So that's a great strategy. So while preparing for CLAD, everybody makes mistakes, right? We did too. So what's the one thing that turned out to be a critical lesson for you?
That's not me. Critical lesson for me. Okay. So first thing when I was starting my prep, I started my prep a bit differently. I was seeing through the exam. I was reading the mind of the examiner. I was understanding कि एग्जाम मुझसे मांग क्या रहा है और फिर उस हिसाब से प्रिपरेशन कर रहा था बट देन धीरे धीरे आई स्टार्टेड फॉलोइंग द क्राउड ब्लाइंडली और से भेड़ चाल तो doing भेड़ चाल was the main mistake that I made. I initially copied other strategies. I then eventually realized that unless your method fits you, it won't work. Consistency plus customized strategy प्लस एग्ज़ाम क्या माँग रहा है, एग्ज़ामिनर क्या माँग रहा है हम लोगों से, उसे समझ के आगे बढ़ना, दैट्स हाउ आई फिक्स्ड माय मिस्टेक मैन।
Again, great tips all around from you. So clearly, you didn't just survive the prep, you made it to something bigger. And now you're channeling all of that into CLS. So, what made this decision so early? What led to it?
वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट आई वाज़ सीइंग ड्यूरिंग माय प्रेप जब आई इवेंचुअली रियलाइज़्ड कि मैं क्या मिस्टेक कर रहा था, उससे बाहर निकला कि बच्चे एग्ज़ाम के लिए प्रिपेयर नहीं कर रहे थे। दे वर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एन इकोसिस्टम जो बहुत ज़्यादा आर्टिफिशियली डिज़ाइन था, जो एग्ज़ाम के आस-पास भी नहीं आता था। दैट आई अंडरस्टूड एंड आई आल्सो सॉ लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज गैप्स, ब्लाइंड स्पॉट्स ड्यूरिंग माय प्रिपरेशन। मैंने तो सुधार लिए पर सब नहीं सुधार पाए। The experience was fresh. I saw what students lack, the clarity, the structure, the community, and all of the things. CLS was born out of a need to build better support structures and to fulfill the knowledge gaps and all of the things जो हमारे ट्रेडिशनल कोचिंग्स, ट्रेडिशनल सिस्टम्स नहीं कर पा रहे हैं।
So, how are you applying your strengths to CLS, and what are the core problems that you're facing and solving for aspirants?
Okay. So my favorite section was actually critical reasoning. So CR and system design for me go hand in hand. My goal is to create a intuitive tech, a platform that thinks with you, that gives you personalized knowledge, personalized guidance, and a whole structure that is designed specifically for you. The core pain points that we are solving is first of all कि students को भेड़ चाल से निकालना, हेल्पिंग एस्पिरेंट्स टू डिजाइन अ पर्सनल स्ट्रेटेजी जो एग्जाम मांगता है ना कि इकोसिस्टम। सेकंड थिंग दैट वी आर टैकलिंग इज रिसोर्स ओवरलोड। हम क्योंकि हम लोग खुद ऑल इंडिया रैंकर्स रहे हैं, तो हम लोगों को पता है कि कौन से रिसोर्सेज एक्चुअली में काम में आते हैं, कौन से रिसोर्सेज एग्जाम के लिए कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं और कौन से रिसोर्सेज सिर्फ एक इकोसिस्टम के लिए कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं। सो वी हैव स्पेशली क्यूरेटेड रिसोर्सेज फॉर स्टूडेंट्स, which is in turn like designing a totally structured learning path for them. The third thing that we are tackling is skill gaps, क्योंकि सारे बच्चे एक लेवल पे नहीं होते हैं। कुछ बच्चे ऊपर से स्टार्ट करते हैं, कुछ बच्चे नीचे से स्टार्ट करते हैं, कुछ बच्चे कहीं और से स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो वो चीज़ भी हम लोगों ने ध्यान में रखी है। एंड ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ओवरलुक्ड थिंग इन द होल इंडस्ट्री इज़ द मेंटल हेल्थ ऑफ किड्स। जो एक ऐसा एग्ज़ाम जो आपके स्ट्रेस को, आपकी मेंटल पीस को, आप स्ट्रेस में अपने माइंड को, अपने नॉलेज को कैसे हैंडल कर सकते हो, आप कितना शांत रह सकते हो, ये चीज़ टेस्ट करे। वहाँ पे मेंटल हेल्थ इज़ एक्सट्रीमली इम्पोर्टेंट। सो वी हैव आल्सो डिज़ाइन्ड अ स्ट्रक्चर एंड वी हैव मेंटोर्स दैट ओवरलुक इंटू योर पर्सनल लाइफ। आपके पर्सनल लाइफ में भी देख के आपको एडवाइस देते हैं एंड आपकी मेंटल हेल्थ को भी एड्रेस करते हैं।
Right. So CLS is something which is personalized to the needs of these students. And I like how you mentioned mental health as well, because many of these coaching centers or mainstream coaching centers do not really, give much importance to that. So CLS has its own USP. If you could give one advice to CS aspirants out there, what would it be?
On serious advice, I believe that self-awareness is underrated. Understand how you learn best, be analytical about prep, progress and pressure. क्योंकि कोई आपको आके नहीं बता सकता कि आपको क्या करना है, कैसे करना है। CLAT is a exam that rests on your self awareness, आपके माइंड को, आपके इमोशंस को और खुद को अंडर प्रेशर कंट्रोल करना। और वन ऑफ द मेन थिंग्स दैट इज हैपनिंग राइट नाउ कि क्योंकि चीज़ों को इस तरीके से डिज़ाइन कर दिए गए जहाँ बच्चे इकोसिस्टम में आगे जा रहे हैं ना कि एग्ज़ाम में। तो वो चीज़ समझना, सीइंग थ्रू ऑल ऑफ द थिंग्स जो फालतू चीज़ें हैं आज के टाइम पे और उन्हें समझ के एग्ज़ाम के लिए आगे बढ़ना। दैट इज़ द एडवाइस आई ऑलवेज़ गिव टू माय स्टूडेंट्स और जूनियर्स।
That is a great piece of advice. Now, before we wrap this up, let's do a quick rapid fire round. Are you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Okay, so favorite A-Late section.
Logical reason,
Most annoying prep topic.
any legal topic.
Okay. Go to stress buster.
Arjun.
Okay. Music while studying, yes or no?
Like, no.
Alien in one word.
A total adventure.
How NLU Delhi feels in one line.
Exciting.
CLS, a year from now, where do you see it?
Over the top.
That's great. Thanks for doing the rapid fire round, Duke. And thank you for sharing your prep journey, your mindset, and mission with us. You have shown what discipline plus vision can really create. And to our listeners, watch out for Yog and CLS. This is not just another prep venture, this is a new blueprint. Yog, wishing you all the best at NLU Delhi and beyond. CLS looks like it is in great hands and they have me too.
Right. Thanks a lot, Priya. It's been an absolute pleasure to be here. I just can't wait to see where this journey takes me and us. Thank you.
Right. Until next time, folks, keep questioning, keep growing. And this was The Word.